Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can turn off stolen device protection on iPhone without Face ID. So in this video, I'm gonna give you some steps to follow it to fix that issue. Simply just have to just go to your settings and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it because it may face the issue when in location time. So you have to just go to VPN section and just disconnect it. After simply just have to just go back and just scroll down and just go to the privacy and security section. Just tap on that and just go to location services and you have to have scroll down and you see there is an option system services. Just tap on that and just scroll down and you see that there is an option significant location. You make sure that is turn it on. Simply after just have to go back and again back and just go to the face id and passcode. Just tap on that and just simply just type a passcode and it don't did not give me that I gonna sign in with the face id. Simply just have to just go to order your passcode and just go to that section and scroll down and see there is an option stolen device protection. Just tap on that and here they already turn it on in your device, so you have to turn it off and wait for a second and it take a little bit 5 to 10 seconds and it's turning on. If your problem not gonna fix, then you simply have to just go back, just go to the general section and just go to the scroll down and just go to the transfer reset amount. Just tap on that and just go to reset section and here this option that reset network settings. Just tap on that and again follow the steps recently I tell you, so your problem gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.